Do you precept? The Lord said, I will plead for my people. Joel chapter 3, verse 1. For behold, in those days and in that time, when I shall bring again the captivity of Yehuda and Jerusalem, I will also gather all nations and will bring them down to the valley of Jehoshaphat, and will plead with them there for my people and for my heritage, Israel, whom they have scattered among the nations and parted my land. The scripture says, in those days I will bring again the captivity of Yehuda. What does this mean? Precept, Jeremiah 30, verse 3. For lo, the days come, saith Yahweh, that I will bring again the captivity of my people, Israel and Yehuda, saith the Lord, and I will cause them to return to the land that I gave to their fathers, and they shall possess it. The Lord said, I will gather all nations and bring them down to the valley of Jehoshaphat. What is the valley of Jehoshaphat? Precept, Joel chapter 3, verse 14. Multitudes, multitudes, in the valley of decision, for the day of Yahweh is near in the valley of decision. The Lord said, I will plead with them for my people, Israel, for my heritage. What does plead with them mean? Precept, Isaiah chapter 66, verse 16. For behold, Yahweh will come with fire, and with his chariots like a whirlwind, to render his anger with fury, and his rebuke with flames of fire. For by fire and by his sword will Yahweh plead with all flesh, and the slain of Yahweh shall be many. The Precept book, Scripture Defining Scripture, over 400 subjects for the 12 tribes of Israel. Order today at ybzyisraelitestore.etsy.com. Shalom.